Why people don't respect nice guys and how to fix it. The hidden trap of being too nice. Many people believe being nice is the key to success. They think kindness will bring respect. They think helping everyone will make people value them. They think saying yes will make life easier. But reality is different, very different. Many nice guys feel ignored. They feel unseen. They feel used. They feel disrespected. They give more, yet receive less. This creates pain, confusion, anger. And one big question: why does this keep happening? This article will answer that question, step by step, in clear language with real meaning. Not to blame you, but to free you. What does nice guy really mean? Being nice is not bad. Kindness is powerful. But nice guy does not mean kind. A nice guy often hides fear behind politeness. He avoids conflict. He avoids saying no. He avoids being honest. He smiles when he is angry. He agrees when he disagrees. He stays silent when he should speak. He hopes people will notice his sacrifice. He hopes people will repay him. Most of the time, they do not. The core problem most nice guys miss. People do not respect niceness. They respect strength. Not loud strength, not aggressive strength, but inner strength. Strength means clarity. Strength means boundaries. Strength means self-respect. When you lack self-respect, others feel it. They may not explain it, but they sense it. Human beings are very sensitive. They feel energy. They read behavior. If you do not value yourself, why should they? Why being too nice sends the wrong signal. Every action sends a signal. When you say yes to everything, you signal that your time is cheap. When you accept disrespect, you signal that it is allowed. When you explain yourself too much, you signal insecurity. When you apologize for existing, you signal weakness. None of this is conscious, but it is powerful. People respond to signals, not intentions. You may intend to be kind, but your signal says something else. It says, "I do not matter." Respect is not given, it is felt. Respect is emotional, not logical. People do not respect you because you help them. They respect you because you respect yourself. This is a hard truth, but a freeing one. Once you understand this, everything changes. The people-pleasing trap. Many nice guys are people pleasers. They want harmony. They want approval. They want to be liked. This desire is human, but when it controls you, it destroys respect. People-pleasing says, "My value depends on your reaction." This is dangerous, because the moment you depend on approval, you give away power, and people feel that power shift. Why people take advantage of nice guys. Most people are not evil, but most people follow incentives. If someone gives without limits, they will keep taking, not because they hate you, but because you allow it. Boundaries teach people how to treat you. No boundaries mean no rules. No rules mean no respect. The silent anger of the nice guy. Nice guys often hide anger. They say they are fine, but they are not. They feel resentment, but they swallow it. This anger leaks out in small ways: passive comments, cold silence, sudden explosions. People feel confused. Trust breaks. Respect disappears even more. The myth of, "If I am good, life will reward me." Many nice guys believe in fairness. If I am good, people will be good to me. This belief sounds beautiful, but it is incomplete. Life rewards strength with kindness, not weakness with sacrifice. You can be good and still be strong. You must be both. Respect comes before love. This is another hard truth. Without respect, love cannot survive. Friendship needs respect. Romance needs respect. Work needs respect. When people do not respect you, they may still like you, but they will not listen to you. They will not follow you. They will not value your words. Why nice guys feel invisible? Nice guys often wait. They wait to be noticed. They wait to be chosen. They wait to be appreciated. But strong people do not wait. They act. They speak. They decide. Visibility comes from presence, not patience. The cost of staying too nice. Staying too nice has a price. You lose your voice. You lose your time. You lose your direction. Worst of all, you lose yourself. You wake up one day and feel empty. This is not weakness. This is a warning. The good news you need to hear. You are not broken. You were just taught the wrong rules. You were told to be quiet, to be polite, to not upset anyone. No one taught you how to be respected, but you can learn, and it starts now. Part 2. How respect really works in real life. Respect is not a reward. It is a reaction. People do not decide to respect you. They feel it. This feeling comes from how you show up, how you speak, how you act, how you respond to pressure. Respect is built moment by moment. The truth about confident people. Confident people are not special. They are not fearless. They are not perfect. They simply trust themselves. They listen to their inner voice. They act even when it feels uncomfortable. They do not wait for permission. This is why people follow them. Respect comes from self-trust. When you trust yourself, your words become calm, your body becomes relaxed, your eyes become steady. You stop rushing, you stop explaining too much, you stop proving. People feel this shift. They sense stability, and stability creates respect. The power of saying less. Nice guys often talk too much. They explain every decision. They justify every choice. They defend every boundary. This weakens their message. Strong people say less, not because they are silent, but because they are clear. A short sentence, a calm tone, a firm pause. This is powerful. Why boundaries change everything. Boundaries are not walls, they are doors. They decide what enters your life and what does not. When you say no, you protect your time. When you say stop, you protect your energy. When you walk away, you protect your dignity. Each boundary sends a signal, I matter. People respect what is protected. The fear behind weak boundaries. Most nice guys fear rejection. They fear being disliked. They fear conflict, so they choose comfort. But comfort costs respect. Every time you avoid discomfort, you teach yourself that your needs are not important. This damages your confidence. Confidence is built through action. You do not think your way into confidence. You act your way into it. Every time you speak up, confidence grows. Every time you say no, confidence grows. Every time you choose honesty, confidence grows. Small actions, big change. How people test you. People test limits, often without knowing it. They interrupt you. They make jokes at your expense. They ignore your requests. These are tests, not attacks. How you respond decides everything. The 3 responses that kill respect. First response, silence. Second response, over-explaining. Third response, anger. Silence shows fear. Over-explaining shows insecurity. Anger shows lack of control. None create respect. The response that builds respect. Calm firmness. Short words, neutral tone, clear eye contact. No apology, no anger, just truth. Example, I don't like that. Please don't interrupt me. That doesn't work for me. Simple, direct, strong.
Why tone matters more than words. Words are only part of communication. Tone carries emotion. Tone carries belief. A weak tone breaks strong words. A calm tone strengthens simple words. Confidence lives in the voice. Body language and respect. Your body speaks before your mouth. Straight posture shows presence. Slow movement shows control. Stillness shows confidence. Nice guys often fidget, they shrink, they rush. This tells people they are unsure. Awareness changes this. Stop asking, start stating. Nice guys ask too much. Is that okay? Do you mind? Maybe we could... Confident people state, this is what I want. This is my plan. This is my decision. No drama, no force, just clarity.
Respect is built through consistency. One strong moment helps, but consistency builds identity. If you set a boundary once, then break it later, respect disappears. People watch patterns. Be consistent. You can be kind and strong. Strength is not cruelty. Boundaries are not hate. You can care and still say no. You can listen and still disagree. You can love and still walk away. This balance is power. Why this feels uncomfortable at first. Growth feels wrong at first. Your brain wants safety, not respect. When you change behavior, fear appears. This is normal. Do not run from it. The shift from approval to self-respect. The moment you stop chasing approval, everything changes. You become calm, centered, free. People feel this independence and respect follows. A new identity is forming. You are no longer the nice guy. You are becoming grounded. You are becoming clear. You are becoming respected. Part 3. How to become calm, strong, and respected every day. Change does not happen in one moment. It happens through daily behavior, small choices, repeated actions. This part will show you how to live differently, in simple ways, every day. Rule 1. Respect yourself first. Self-respect is not a feeling, it is a decision. You decide how you speak. You decide how you act. You decide what you accept. When you respect yourself, others feel it. This is the foundation. Stop explaining yourself. You do not need permission to exist. You do not need approval to decide. When you explain too much, you lower your value. Say what you mean, then stop. Silence is strength. Learn to pause. Nice guys react fast. Strong people pause. A pause gives you control. Before answering, before agreeing, before apologizing, pause. This pause changes your energy. Speak slower. Speed shows anxiety. Slowness shows confidence. Slow speech calms your body. It also calms the room. People listen more. Make eye contact. Eyes show truth. Looking away shows fear. Hold eye contact, not staring, not forcing, just steady. This builds presence. Say no without guilt. No is not rude. No is honest. When you say yes to everything, you say no to yourself. Say no calmly. No excuse, no apology, just truth. Walk away when needed. Not every fight needs words. Sometimes silence is stronger. When disrespect continues, leave. Walking away shows self-worth. People remember this. Choose discomfort over regret. Every change brings discomfort. Speaking up feels hard. Setting boundaries feels scary, but regret is worse. Choose discomfort today, respect tomorrow. Build inner strength daily. Strength is built inside, through discipline, through honesty, through self-care. Sleep well, Move your body. Keep promises to yourself. These small acts build confidence. Stop trying to be liked. Being liked is unstable. Respect is solid. Not everyone will like you. This is freedom. When you accept this, you become relaxed, and people feel that. Become comfortable with silence. Silence makes weak people nervous. Strong people enjoy it. Silence gives space. Silence shows confidence. You do not need to fill it. Speak from the chest. Nice guys speak from fear. Strong people speak from truth. Speak what you believe, not to convince, not to impress, just to express. Daily practice for change. Every day, do one hard thing. Say no once. Speak up once. Stay silent once. These moments shape you. How respect grows over time. At first, people may resist. They are used to the old you. Stay calm, stay consistent. Soon, their behavior changes. Respect appears. Relationships will change. Some people will leave. This is normal. Others will come closer. Healthy people respect boundaries. This is how you find real connection. You are not becoming cold. You are becoming clear. You are not losing kindness. You are adding strength. This balance creates leadership. The new you. You speak when needed. You listen when needed. You say yes with intention. You say no with calm. You are grounded, centered, present. People feel safe around you, and they respect you. Final message. You were never weak. You were just untrained. Now you know the rules. Apply them slowly, daily, and your life will change.
If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Motivation to Study English for 30 minutes every day. Your support is the energy that keeps us creating better and more meaningful videos every single day.